Hey guys, I just wanted to add like an intro to this video because I haven't made one yet. But basically what I'm going to be doing today is, or not today, but throughout this video is I'm going to be showing you guys my prom prep because it is prom week. Tomorrow actually is prom. I'm going to be taking you guys along to all the things I need to do for prom. All the stuff I need to get, my hair, doing my makeup, pictures, and prom. So I hope you enjoy this video. Got home and I got a package from Forever 21. So I'm gonna open it. First thing that's here are these earrings. Oh gosh, they're so tangled. Here they are. They're super cute. And I think they're gonna look really good. I'm so excited. This looks a lot smaller than expected. But it's just this really dainty choker because I'm not wearing a lot of necklaces. And then I got an arm cuff because one shoulder's strapless. So this is just gonna wrap around my arm. I got just a ring set. My undone nails. That's all I got. Who's got the nails done? I didn't. By the first clip, you know, thriving. I'm at a red light, don't judge me. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really stressed, like I have pits in my stomach, and yeah, but I'll show you guys. Done with my makeup. The face and the eyes are done. I have this white strip in, don't mind me. But all I need are my eyelashes, and since I'm not really good at them, my friend is coming to put them on for me. So I need to put the eyelashes on and then the lips. But yeah, this is the look. Super glittery because you know it's prom. We have to go all out for this. Put on my lashes. What a queen. Oh, it's not focused. Okay, so this is my dress. I haven't had my shoes on, but it's like a one shoulder.
No, he doesn't like you.
Okay guys, I'll see you on pictures. Bye. Say bye. Bye. These are my rings. They're all from Forever 21. We have this choker from Forever 21. All my jewelry is from Forever 21. And then my earrings, some from Forever 21, some from
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, oh our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, oh our friendship ceases